Hey Sunshine, it's Julie, and welcome back to another random road trip diaries. I'm doing a voiceover today because I'm currently with my family, so I couldn't really film and talk at the same time. I'm sorry as well with my voice if ever kasi I'd been sick for quite a while now but I really need to edit this now. And also, actually, naging okay na yung pakiramdam ko but I really can't resist coffee kaya right now, my voice is suffering again. So, here we are! Let's go to
I
Antipolo!
got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. We're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but we're getting older. Baby, it's you and you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You say that you're leaving me. The same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully. You won't go without a fight.
We actually didn't have any plans today. Gusto lang talaga naming mag-drive. Since maaga pa, around 9 a.m. pa lang ata, I think limited pa din yung mga places na pwede naming puntahan. And somehow, napadpad kami dito sa Angono Petroglyphs.
One, two. Alam ko kung kailan may pan. Ang weird niya magaling na.
Turn right onto Angono Petroglyphs.
Right. Oh, yan na.
Ito?
Kanan daw.
Oh, yun ako.
Hey Sunshine! Hey! So we are here already sa Petroglyphs sa Angono Rizal. Free lang daw siya and then we are walking here dun sa cave papunta sa registration. May parking doon and kailangan lang ng valid ID. So, I'm excited. It's my first time here.
Bakit pa tayo malayo?
Buti na lang. May jacket akong imported.
Kasi yung palto, gono.
National Museum dali.
Hmm? Okay.
Hindi ko alam bakit yung mano ba? Alam bakit? Pero ilalig na kayo kasi bago pa lang daw ito nung araw. Titignan ko maraming tao na pupunta.
Pag may bahay na doon, wala na pumunta rito.
Titignan.
Ay, mahina dito. Walang signal. Dito mag-click.
Nakakukit sa bato. Wait lang. Akala ko vandalism siya.
Mga dito ang lupa. Ang lupa dito sa lili.
Hey Sunshine! So, pauwi na kami. And wala namang masyadong makikita dito. It's just yung mga rock formation, and bawal mag-vlog pa nang mag-discuss ng kung ano-ano. But if you wanted to visit here, hindi pa siya ganun ka-develop, pero maganda naman siya. May mga cactus. And ayun, so we're just gonna eat after this. Free siya, walang bayad. Medyo malayo-layo lang yung lalakarin nyo. And yun nga lang, if ever magbe-video kayo or magbe-vlog, mag-shoot, mayroong guidelines. Since hindi naman ako mag-vlog, like clips lang yung kinuha ko.
Maganda lang
So,
mag-jogging.
hindi na ako fill up ng form. So far, sabi is, tinitingnan pa kung magkiklik yung lugar. But so far, maganda siya. Pwedeng mag-picnic, pero wala pang mga food na tinitinda doon, but you can bring one. So yeah, I'm not sure kung mag-record to kasi wala akong mic. Nasa car. Okay.
Everything ha? Ba't tayo binuli rito?
Okay, two-way nakalagay oh. Nakakaya naman eh. Dapat pasok dito. Two-way.
After we go here in Taytay City SM, and naligaw kami. Ay, mali pala yung napag-parkingan. And it's my fault. Doon kami nag-parking sa parang private establishment. So, now we're walking here. Buti na lang yung bridge na is malapit lang. Hoy! Nakakainis to. And after lunch, dumaan naman kami sa Xiaomi because we needed to buy something really quick. After sa Xiaomi, before heading to the next stop, I had to grab some coffee because I was seriously in need of caffeine. Maybe because sobrang dami ka rin nakain ng lunch, like
Sure.
naantok talaga ako.
Search mo.
Wait,
Masilag.
Sige. Handa mo na ang kwan niya. Si Jacqueline. Handa mo si Jacqueline. Pahandaan mo ng...
we also stopped by McDonald's to grab some food as pasalubong since dadaanan namin yung isa kong tita just to say hi.
Ask po ng meal, yung 6-piece nuggets and yung cheeseburger po.
Apa.
Bali-inform ko lang po sila sa 6-piece nuggets, unavailable po kami sa another store.
Okay
So,
lang po.
okay lang po pwede.
Ganun dahan-dahan lang.
Oh. Kapag na rin tao.
Sino na yun?
Iba na kasi ang...
And this time, while I was applying sunscreen, I really recorded some random moments so that I can let you hear some of the real voices from the trip while this vlog is playing.
Alam na alam niya eh.
Magdediretso mo yung punta ng Marilaki. Pag kumanang ka, punta kaya chat. Dulo.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know how to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. You say that you're leaving me, the same thing you said last night. You can't do it peacefully, you won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors, no, no. Just wait and see, you'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see, I know you'll follow me. I don't know how to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I.
Ito yung anipiting yung saging oh.
Turon.
Yun na daw.
Di ba sarap? Lasang hilaw.
Pangit daw lasang ano.
Mapakla.
Di ba sabi mo masarap?
15? Mahal pa. Pati mga kuha, pati mga picture.
We decided just to open this Minecraft.
Tapos ito cellphone ko, bibigay ko na kay Angelo. Mahirap niya, Pete, kung ipalitin ni Angelo sa kani, ni Angelo doon kay Ampo. Hindi na siya mo pinapagamit ang cellphone na Angelo eh. Sinabihan ko na yun eh.
Ay, hindi! Ala!
Parehas?
Yung, ay, iba.
Ala, maganda! Ang ganda niya. May electro siya.
Yung kahapon, parehas din.
Hindi, ay, yung isa lang. Ganda niya.
Yun
Yung inaano kasi, pinapasok kayo sa laro. Biyahe kayo doon ng western.
Naipit yung ano, ugat dito ko.
Uy.
Wait!
Parang, wait lang.
Sige, labas mo.
Okay lang.
Oh my gosh!
Ay, sa Hamburglar, nakita ko na.
Hi! But the
lang.
same way, hindi!
Hamburglar yan.
Oh!
Same.
Sa akin na lang to.
Wag, madami kang Hamburglar.
Ilan na yan?
Ay, bigay mo kay Rai.
Ilan na? Dalawa na?
Dalawang Hamburglar, dalawang itlog. Check mo nga sa ano?
Ilang klase ba yan? Lahat.
Yung kanilang.
Pwede kasi pasok sa laro yan eh.
Sabi na ipasa?
So, yun yung sa laro, kapag may karakter.
Ay, Dok, pata makdo pila talaga oh.
Kaya nga eh. Baka siguro may ayuda.
Kahit sa makdo eh.
Cute.
Baka dahil sa second to.
Tignan mo yun, tignan mo mga tools doon eh. Maingat talaga yun.
Sila yung gamit namin dito eh.
Bakit pag sa'yo, hindi niya iniingatan?
Yung battery ng ano ko ng... Hindi mo pinipit